A recent report highlights the high number of connected devices failing to comply with security regulations. The risk is not only about the likelihood of being attacked, but also considers impact factors such as business criticality. Therefore, the list of riskiest devices does not always perfectly align with the most attacked devices. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Organizations need a two-pronged approach to tackle the risks of non-compliant connected devices, understanding the inherent risk factors and gaining complete visibility. Many devices have outdated or poorly implemented security features, making them vulnerable to hacking. This could involve weak encryption, insecure default passwords, or lack of support for security updates. Non-compliant rates in connected devices can indeed pose significant challenges. Compliance issues may arise due to various factors such as outdated software, lack of security protocols, or insufficient patching mechanisms. These non-compliant devices can become vulnerable to cyber attacks, potentially leading to data breaches, privacy violations, or even physical harm in critical infrastructure systems. As per SafeCherk, a company specializing in testing connected products, revealed that a whopping 74% of over 100 devices tested did not meet security requirements. This non-compliance violates the Product Security and Telecoms Infrastructure Act (PSTI). Companies failing to adhere to these regulations could face legal repercussions and reputational damage. Industry experts are urging manufacturers, retailers, and distributors to prioritize compliance to ensure consumer safety and trust. The results show that three-quarters of these devices are still not compliant with the legal requirements set out in the Product Security and Telecoms Infrastructure Act. Secondly, the most important is there is need to hold device manufacturers accountable for ensuring compliance throughout the life cycle of their products, including providing updates and support. Also, need for conducting risk assessments to identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities in connected devices proactively. By combining an understanding of risk factors with comprehensive visibility, organizations can effectively secure their attack surface and mitigate the risks posed by non compliant connected devices. Let's look into today's headline. Japan introduced the first 6G device in the world. The first 6G prototype device was unveiled to the public with speeds of up to 100 Gbps, 20 times faster than 5G. The technology created by telecom giants in Japan reached remarkable speeds both indoors and outdoors. 6G has promise for improved virtual experiences and real-time holographic communication despite issues like frequency restrictions. Apple is creating proprietary AI chips for data centers. According to reports, Apple is working on Project ACDC or Apple Chips in Data Center to produce AI chips that will improve the capabilities of AI software for data centers. By doing this, Apple hopes to improve its competitiveness in AI technology. In addition, the business plans to incorporate Google's Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT in future iPhone models and present new AI products at the Worldwide Developers Conference. Rapido to provide voters with free trips on May 13. Rapido pledged to give voters in Hyderabad, Karimnagar and Khammam free rides in autos, taxis and bikes on the polling day, May 13th. Rapido works with the Chief Electoral Officer to promote voter participation in the democratic process. On May 13, voters can use the code VOTENOW to receive the free trips. Bheem to join e-commerce competing with PhonePe and Google Pay. The government-supported payment software Bheem is getting ready to join the e-commerce space in an effort to disrupt PhonePe and Google Pay's monopoly on the digital payment sector. With the use of the ONDC platform created by NPCI, BHIM intends to expand the range of products it offers to include groceries, clothing, cuisine, and more. To strengthen its position in the market, NPCI named Rahul Handa as BHIM's Chief Commercial Officer. Zscaler unveils Digital Experience Monitoring Copilot. Zscaler has introduced 3 groundbreaking additions to its Zscaler Digital Experience ZDX service: ZDX Copilot, Hosted Monitoring, and Data Explorer. In order to give IT operations, service desk, and security teams the insights they need regarding digital experience and performance, the new ZDX Copilot, an AI assistant, immediately analyzes and harnesses information from over 500 trillion data points every day across users, devices, networks, and apps. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.